Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand what are date hierarchies in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. Let's activate the column chart. On x-axis, we'll pick up the order date, and on y-axis, we'll pick up the sales. Now this will create the chart on the basis of dates. We want to convert this x-axis, which is displayed on the basis of order date, either to years, months, or quarters. How we can do? So for this, we will have to change the data type of the order date. So just click here and you can see at present the data type is text. Just change it to date. Click yes. So it will create the hierarchies. You can see here. Now remove this tick and click on year. And you can see now that this bar chart is on the basis of year. Remove the tick. Quarter on the basis of month, on the basis of day. So this is how you can create the date hierarchies in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.